So it's been raining, and I missed the opportunity because my tanks have been overflowing, and I lost all this rain, all this water. So I'm filling up the tanks again in the hope that it's going to rain more tonight. Now I have seven of these containers, and I had to fill up the other ones as well, just to take the most advantage that I could. So once I fill these up, there's 700 litres, 800 litres probably, and I'm doing that now. So I'm trying to explain about deep water culture here. So what we have is an air stain in a container, and we have a float that sits on top. The air invigorates the water, and I put a float on top, and I'll get a net cup and I'll put it in one of the holes and grow a plant in it. Now the whole point about that is that we have a plant in a pot, and we also have lots of air coming in the water, and of course the water is, for want of a better word, impregnated with nutrient. So that's how it works. If you have a floating system like this, it's a great way to bring seedlings up and transplant them out